Presenting the 2018 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, magnetic ride control suspension package, open road package, 10 speakers, Bose Centerpoint Premium 10 speakers surround sound, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, IntelliLink, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.